Hello everyone, so today we are going to unbox this GoPro Hero 7 Black. Finally, we got this. Okay, so this is how it looks like in the front plus the back. See turtle. And it has 12 megapixel camera and the quality is 4K 60 as you can see or can't see. And 460 what? Frames, and it has 33 feet deep. You can take this camera underwater, and it has, what is this for? Like speak detector, sound detector. And it's touchscreen, 8x slow motion, and it has GPS. How awesome! And it's hyper smooth. I don't know what's that for. Hyper smooth. Huh?
A stabilizer.
Ah, stabilizer. And high definition camera, HDR. And the most amazing part is the live streaming. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. So we're gonna open it. Oh my god! Gimbal like hyper smooth stabilization.
It ripped.
There. Oh my gosh, okay. And it has this. Damage replace, blah 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 blah, GoPro. And it's that thing. If you need help, it has manuals, it has sticker, manual thing, and a GoPro. What is this GoPro? Important product safety instruction booklet. Okay. Okay. Now let's open. So it comes with this. I don't know what's this for really, but let's figure it out. And this is for charger.
Yeah.
Oh, charger. Connector, and this one is, I don't know, it has.
You could stick it on. Like on the helmet.
Oh, okay. It's not gonna come off. Is it one time? One time? Oh, and it's the battery. This is the battery. Looks like. The battery. GoPro battery. Is it extra battery or? So it looks like. And I don't know what's this little paper thing. But it has how many? I don't know what's the megahertz. Can't see it from here. Whatever. Okay. Let's see what it's doing. Whoops.
Whoops.
Okay, he dropped it.
Yes, I did.
Oh, it comes with it already. We have extra one. How do you take that off? Okay.
I'm not sure.
No, I guess. I'm not sure. Okay.
Unless you just pull this off.
Huh? Oh, it's taking
Figure it out.
so it has this and this and remove. I think just that.
Maybe.
It's just how it looks like. Okay, next. So it doesn't have any like thing. You can just stick this in the water like that with this, or you need the
You can.
can, or do you still need the cases? Or
I
just like
think I want to get the case.
you would? did you do that? So this is the case, look like the protector in case you drop it or something like that. This is the actual camera, how it's like without the case. I think it's just, is it a sticker? Or looks fake, huh? But made mode. How do you? Oh, you still have to put the battery.
Maybe.
Wait, you have to. I don't know. I don't know.
Pull it out.
Ah, okay. Okay, and then we bought this Extreme Plus SanDisk memory card.
Are you gonna put it in?
Yes, we have to. So it's 128 gigabytes. So we just turn it on right now. And the sticker. There you go. The sticker. Oops. Install. Wait, show them how. How you set it up.
Where's your phone?
My phone is here.
Download that.
So first you have to download the app so you can connect that to our phone.
Where's the SD card?
Hmm?
The SD card.
The SD card is here. All you have to do is to go to your Apple, no, not Apple, Android,
Google Play.
Google Play, and then search GoPro, this one, should be this one,
Yeah, so install.
then install, simple. Oops, sorry, what was that? Now it's installing, so we have to wait. Oh, my Wi-Fi's not on. It's installing. 13 seconds left. How fast? Can we see? There. Okay, I think I already successfully downloaded it. Let's check. I did not. Never mind.
Did it install?
Let me do it again. Go. Pro. Oh, there. Installing. Woohoo. Open. Install GoPro app on your phone to finish the setup. This one?
Yeah.
Let's connect your GoPro to your phone. See what your camera sees, create and share quick stories, and much more. Oh my god. Then you have to do is connect. We found your GoPro. Connecting cameras quick, easy.
Yeah.
Connect. Video camera. Oh, there. What? It's for your new GoPro. Tap the button on screen to get to know your camera. What is this? Change your GoPro name.
Short clips. Video.
Jessa GoPro. Put header. Jessa had a GoPro. That's camera name. Save name. resolution. Let's go. I agree. Install quick. You need quick. Install your free editing app to get quick stories. What is this? No thanks.
This is so go for it.
Okay.
You can always put it.
Oh, okay. So you can free video editor for photos, clips, and video. What? Let me see.
Oh, because of it.
What? No way.
It's not that much, but it's cool.
It is.
There's no SD card and there's 9%.
Okay, so how do you put it back? Just like that.
Slide it in.
Let it in. Close. And lock. Oh, so we can throw it in the water now?
I think so.
No, but you have to put this. Okay. Let me put you back there. Oops. Okay. It's crooked. Okay. Where is the scissors? Here. And well, I'll try that one too. YouTube music, listen ad for free. What? YouTube. So famous. It's everywhere. What music? It has 1, 2 right here. Isn't it? And then one from that's some. So it has this big one and the tiny one. And it's the tiny one, huh? See? How do you put it? Let's show it. What way? This way?
I think so.
You'll see. Is it right?
There it is.
Oh,
Yep.
okay, perfect. And the battery. There you go. Let's go. Push. There. Okay. You ready for adventure? Let's go, pro. Let's go, pro. Okay. You see? God, I'm touching you right now. So, is this how you turn it on? This side?
The power button on the side.
On the side one. This is the power button. Mode. How do you? Oh, just one press. Can you see? Oh my god, it's so nice. Okay. How do you record? Loop, photo, burst, or video? What about photo? Tap, wrap, video. It has this option. I don't know if you can see. Time lapse photo, night lapse, I don't know what's that. And there's, when you just slide, it's more option in there. Video, looping, I can't wait to try them all. Photo, is it how to take photo? Photo, burst, night. Oh, okay. say photo. Wide. I guess zoom in now. What? That's cool. Next, it has photo timer this side. Just tap. Where is it? Yeah. It has 3 seconds and 10 seconds, so you choose. And then what is this? Okay. When you press this, it go back. Oops. Gosh, first time. It's hard. Okay, go back to option. If you take video, let's try. So video, these are the option that it shows there. And then I don't know what's that. 5. What is this? 30 seconds, 15 seconds. Video. Just a minute. Is okay. So when you tap this, it shows the, I don't know, stabilization, auto, pro tune, I don't know what's that, low light, auto. Okay, next, loop, I don't know what's that, maybe connecting, time wrap video, what's that? Okay, let me see. And it has 3% and it's a charge. How do you charge this? Look. Cool. Time-lapse video. Oh, okay, time-lapse. Time-lapse photo, video. Okay, easy. I'm not sure. There. Okay, so that's it for our unboxing. We still have to figure out and see how this works. Try all the settings. How do you take a photo? Check your dashboard, swipe down to manage preference. Video. Photo. How do you do it? I don't know. Anyway, that's it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye! Say bye.